Hi, I'm James. I'm an applicant for English teacher. I'm going to talk about how do we tell the difference between opinion and fact. So what I want to do is make sure the students understand the meaning, the use, and also how it's used, who uses it, the purpose, and the structure for giving an opinion. Here is the lesson opener. So in the lesson, the students will be able to recognize facts and opinions in a text, give their opinions in full sentences, and also understand the meaning of expository. The first thing I would do would be give a definition, define both. A fact is something true and it can be proven. An opinion is a belief, thought, or feeling someone has about something. It can be proved or disproved. I would use an example of a ball. Okay, students, here is a ball. I'm going to tell you two things about it. Tell me, are they opinion or are they fact? A ball is round. Yeah, that's right. It's a fact. Excellent. The ball, I think, bounces 10 feet high. Good answer. Opinion. I think. That's my belief or attitude or view. The ball is orange. Fact. That's right. It's a fact. It can be proven. It is the color of the ball. It can't be wrong. So therefore it is fact. I can throw the ball above tree height. Yes, it's an opinion because it's something I think I can do. I think I can throw the ball very high. I can throw the ball faster than a moving car. Fact or opinion? That's good. Opinion because it's not proven. Okay, good so far. I would like to explain to the students about facts or opinions. Writers and presenters use facts or opinions all the time. Facts are actually what happened and can be proven as true. You can't change it. Opinions tell the readers a personal attitude or view about something. Take a look at these two penguins. Penguins are flightless birds that are highly adapted to live in the water. Now that's a fact. Can anyone tell me why? That's right, it's true, it can be proven. Penguins look funny when they walk. Someone else? Yeah, that's great. Because it's what we think about how they walk. Penguins are the cutest animals. There they are in the picture. Who thinks they look cute? Yeah, you do too. Brilliant. But why is that an opinion? Can you tell me? That's right. It's a viewpoint, if you like. It may be positive, but it's still an opinion. Penguins can spend up to 75% of their lives in water. Fact or opinion? Yes, it's a fact. Well done, students. Read the definitions and examples. Write fact. This time we're going to say fact or opinion. Who can get this right? Something that has definitely happened or is true. For example, ice cream is a dessert. Who thinks that's fact and who thinks it's an opinion? If you think it's fact, can you raise your left arm? If you think it's opinion, your right. Good. Some people think either side. All right. It's fact. Something that a person believes or feels. For example, ice cream is delicious. Yeah, most of you got that right. It's an opinion. Whether or not you like ice cream, doesn't matter about the flavor of ice cream. It's actually an opinion. It's what you think. Facts. Students, what are facts? Let's have some examples. Okay, over here, numbers, good. Persons, yeah, good. Names, yeah, okay. Links with people, good. Locations, yeah, or places, brilliant. Distance, yeah, that's good. Under measurements. Historic era, good. Yeah, so you could say for historic area, the industrial age, Victorian era, maybe Neolithic, if you go all the way back to Stone Age man, that's good. Dates, yeah, sure. Centuries or specific dates, that's fine. Years, calendar dates, if you want to be more specific. There you have it. That's an example of some facts. It could be in many different forms, words or figures, that's numbers. Taking a step back from the lesson, I would go through the words for the main text. They would be terrain, polygon, lava, basalt, legend, geology. These would be taught as vocabulary words for the following text: Giant's Causeway. I chose this text, it's an expository text, because it has two parts. At the beginning, it tells the reader in an eloquent way about some of the facts surrounding Giant's Causeway, including the landscape, how it was formed. It then has a part about the legend of Finn McCool, the giant. I thought it would be fun for the students, and at their level, I think they would enjoy it. The reading comprehension questions are: what is the pathway made of, and how does it look? How was it formed? When was it made? And who is the legendary giant who walked across it? What I'd like them to do is look closer at fact or opinion and the differences. So I want them to recognize opinion in expository writing. So there's some explanation here. It differentiates fact from opinion. As a general rule, when you're trying to decide, ask yourself, does the sentence say something that I could check in a book or online? If so, it's probably a fact. Does this sentence say something I could agree? Architect included plans for an indoor running track and pool, and so on. I'd go through them and reward students for good answers. I have some passages here or excerpts that are paragraphs. I want them to tell me if they're narrative, expository, or opinion, and we go through those as a classroom group. In fact, what we could do is, for the second one, we could go into small groups of 4 or 5 students for bigger lessons. For small lessons, pairs. What I want them to do is focus on the structure to give an opinion. In my view, as I see it, my belief is that I think that thing plus be expression plus because plus reason. There's a fun group activity at the end using opinion cards. So on each card, which is given to student pairs, on one side they have an opinion and on the other a question. So on the first card it would say write an opinion about soccer or say an opinion about soccer, and on the reverse, who has a statement about carrots. The other students all have a card in their pairs. So the student that answers the quickest stands up and gives their opinion and then asks the question. And then they sit down. The student who answers first stands up and they answer it and read their question, and so on. It's just a bit of fun to lighten the end of the lesson. And then sum up. So I expect the students now to be experts. What is fact? What is an opinion? And how can you tell them apart?